In this view, it is possible to design 3 different wave types by using the Select Signal Type drop-down menu. In case the arbitrary waveform is desired, the Import button can be clicked to import a dataset. Keep in mind that only text files are acceptable and the values must be comma separated. Each value must be in percentages, not in specific units like volts or micrometers. Let's do an example by starting from the predefined standard wave functions. To make the actuator move, these steps must be taken. First, click on Create New Wave, which will load the desired arbitrary waveform into the chart so that it can be previewed before sending. Step 2, click the Transmit button. This will transmit the whole data set to the internal buffer of the NV200D controller. Step 3, click the Start button. This will start the function generator to read the internal buffer from the controller and move the actuator. Additionally, the Stop button is available. This needs to be pressed only if cycles equals 0 and the movement needs to be stopped. Lastly, to get the measurements, switch to Device Output and press the Get Data Recorder button. Both the desired and measured values were accurately produced.